Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving in an exciting topic, artificial intelligence and educational leadership. I'm Gurung Ana, and let's explore how AI is transforming how schools and institutions are led. First, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, AI refers to machines or softwares that can be learned, reason, and make decisions, just like us humans, but faster. Have you consulted a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, or even scrolled through your social media feed? With those actions, you already interact with an artificial intelligence. What are the functions of AI in education? So we are still learning how AI technology will integrate into the education sector as they evolve. And we still need to understand how AI will impact crucial concerns such as ethics, equity, and data security. However, we have already identified some major applications for artificial intelligence in education, which include the following. First, AI-powered education games. Teachers have long recognized the importance of play-based learning, and schools have used instructional computer games like Wordscape, Math Blaster, what else? The Big Planet series, and even Minecraft. So today's AI-powered games can provide targeted learning, and thanks to user-responsive programming. Second, adaptive learning platforms. Leaders in educational technology provide adaptable platforms that enable real-time customization of learning activities and content. Continuous assessment provides fast feedback and allows the system to alter its approach. Adaptive learning approaches range from simple, rule-based system to complex machine learning algorithms. Third, automated grading and feedback system. Artificial intelligence technology can save educators time and energy by automating grading, planning, and administrative tasks. This is a typical argument in favor of implementing AI in the classroom. Next is chatbot for student support. Many higher education institutions use university chatbots to help students by answering admission questions, linking them to course materials and student services, and also sending reminders. Other chatbots can assist students in terms of generating ideas, enhancing their writing skills, and making the most of their study time. And lastly, intelligent tutoring system. Intelligent tutoring system are frequently focused on a single subject, such as math or language, and imitate the one-on-one experience of working with the real instructors. So example of this is the Khan Academy's tutoring system or the Duolingo. AI for decision making. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps school leaders make informed decisions. From resource allocation to student performance analysis, AI streamline the process. AI's efficiency in gathering, processing, and interpreting data, as well as giving real-time or near real-time outcomes, can help educational leaders make data-driven, evidence-based decisions. AI-assisted data-driven decision-makings, however, might conflict with the morality-based moral judgment. When combined, A combination of evidence-based, data-driven, and morally grounded decision-making is the most effective way to handle individual and organizational decision-making for leaders. When making data-driven, evidence-based judgment, AI can act as an extended brain. The limitations of AI-supported data-driven decisions making can be addressed by morally guided human judgment. Personalized learning. AI tailors learning experiences for each student. It adapts content, pace, and assessments based on individual needs. No more one-size-fits-all. AI analyzes students' data to personalize learning experiences. Leaders can tailor intervention based on individual needs. The most major benefits of AI and education is the ability to provide tailored learning experiences. AI can adjust to each student's unique learning styles, preferences, and needs, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Last one is ethical consideration. But wait, there's a catch. We must address ethical concerns. How do we ensure AI doesn't perpetuate biases or compromise students' privacy? The ethical use of AI and data in learning, teaching, and assessment is based on four key ethical considerations, which include human agency, fairness, humanity, and justified choice. In the end, AI isn't here to replace educators, but to empower them. Responsible implementation ensures equitable access and a positive impact on student success. Let's embrace this technological revolution and create a brighter future for our schools. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.